This video is about how to actually contour cutting the printed stuff with registration mark. First of all, you need a printing thing. Okay, this is another example, same thing. This we created in vinyl cut and with registration mark 7mm round dot. You can check a different video how to make artwork, but essentially it has the dot in 4 corners which form a rectangle. No matter out bigger, smaller, no, cannot bigger, smaller. I mean, rectangle can be bigger, smaller, but dot is from 5 to 10. Okay, I normally use 7. Then you can more out, it's fine, whichever you want to put, but they must form a rectangle. And when you put on the board, they supposed to be reasonably straight. Okay, a little bit skew is fine because that's what's the contour cutting for. But you cannot really put like that. Okay. Then, if you have a board, put underneath. Okay. So then, let me quickly change the coordinate so we do not really cutting on it. Just okay. So now first is graphic. Let's prepare new in case of some other before stuff. So first, you have a printed one. That's how you print it, up to you. Then you have a cutting file. This is a 300 dpi picture. It's a picture. It's a JPEG picture. You can use other format of PNG, but JPEG is smaller. Okay. You can see there are 4 dots under the shape. This picture also created by the vinyl cut. In the other video, I'll show you how to create it. Now you just open image. Open this image. Open this image. You can see it's already traced the line because the cut image cannot really cut the image. You select them, give them a layer. So you can do things with that layer, whichever you want to do. Okay, then you can see when you select the layer, I already see the 6 paths. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. But we do not really need that. So this is the first dot we want. We select it. You click here. Say it's the first dot. You see, it's become a dot. Closer, dot. Then the second step, if your artwork is good, you press. You see all of them. You can should be easy to find. Now it's become the first registration mark, second registration mark, third registration mark, fourth registration mark. Then 2 contour line. Whether you want to make a contour line bigger, smaller, you want to adjust here, that's totally up to you. Okay. Then you have this artwork now. It's a red layer. Okay. Then we go to layer. Same like other video. Whether you want to do, if you want to use spindle, use spindle. If you want to use tool. Okay. Doesn't really matter. Then once you're done, you create a file. Same like the old story. So CCD. What we need to do is we move this camera to the first hole, not hole, dot. It doesn't need to be in the center. As long as the camera can see it, it's gonna work. And you can even use this to test. Oh, and by this dot thing, technically you can have the different shape. I didn't use other ones, I use round. And if you need to flip the camera, because camera may be installed in the wrong direction, all of those and anyway. So you can also press this test to see moving starting, see if it can find it. Well, that's a different one, sorry. I should load, press wrong button. Let me move it back to the first dot. Okay, you can see here, load, here, identify. It's able to find the dot, you see. If you know it's not able to find the dot, then you probably change the settings or change the lighting, change exposure, whichever. So now it's just, okay, I said earlier, it's in the area is fine. Actually, nothing you need to change here. Just make the camera able to see the first dot. That's all. Those settings should be right. Then you need to press start button. Let's see how it works. Start button. Then, since we're not really touching the plate, let's see the first one, and the second one. Let's see the one. This is the fourth one. Okay, and it's starting to cut now. It's going to like okay, let me just stop that. Okay, now let's move this back to the first dot. Oh, actually already first dot. Let's see when you start, what's gonna happen on the screen. Or press start, and turn off the vacuum. Okay. Oh, I didn't press start. I pressed stop. Okay. Let's move this. Let's move this to the area. Press start. Okay. Turn off the vacuum. See, it's find the first dot. Let's go. Find the second one. Let's go. Find the third one. Go. Find the fourth one. Then it's trying to starting the blade and going to cho. Yeah, that's how the process. Basically, like that. How it's been cutting is totally depends on you now. All the speed settings, all of those, and yeah, eventually cutting like that. So that's how the contour cutting works. Thank you.